So we've got all of these parts here. Alright, I'm back, and today we're getting a new car on the channel. We've got our mate's MG3, it's right next to me over here. We're going to be doing, well, we've already done his air intake. We're actually redoing the intro to this because my old intro got corrupted, and it was at night, so it didn't look the best. But we fit the intake about a few nights ago, basically. We fit the intake, and trust me, it is sick. The car sounds mad. I'll show you how to fit it. We're like the only guide. I'm going to have the only guide on how to fit this thing because no one's done it before, and it's so retarded you don't understand. It's just stupid. But, yeah. We're going to be fitting an intake to it, and trust me, it sounds sick. You would have heard in the little like intro section. It sounds mad, doesn't it? But yeah, I'll pop the hood in this car, show you guys how to fit it. It's not like the hardest thing in the world, and it's not crazy pricey, but trust me, it is worth it. It makes the car feel better, and it just, throttle response, everything goes up, and it just sounds so sick. The car literally like just roars. It's the same intake I've got on my car, basically, just different coloured pipes and more pipes because obviously the throttle body is in different position. But yeah, that's basically what we're doing today, and trust me, it's sick. It's just mad. And we're also doing some more work to this car. So yeah, if you're interested in MG3s or anything like that, I'll have some content on that soon. So yeah, let's go then. All right, so this is our mate's MG3 and yeah, 1.5, and yeah, we did the intake on it. Go on, might as well open the bonnet. I'll show you the air intake now. Where's the latch on this thing? There you go, that's the air intake, looking sick, and it looks like it's an easy job, but it took about, how long did it take?
5, 6 hours.
It took about 4 hours, because it's just retarded, yeah. I'll throw in the clips of us actually fitting it, but it's so stupid the way you have to take this, put this in. There's screws that are upside down and shit, and the screws like over here somewhere, and it's just stupid, man, you don't understand. But I'll throw in the clips of it getting fit. It was at night though, so like they'll be a bit dark. To take the stock filter out, you just gotta go behind here, and there's a Jubilee clip there you gotta take out. That's like, I think it's like a 9mm one or something. And then you just, this pulls up. And then you've also got this pipe here, which has 2 screws on the front, them two, and they fit in just in these like little brackets there. You need 10mm spanner to get them out, and it just wiggles out. Right, so when you've got the whole air filter off, you've got this here, and then the whole intake's gonna connect to this, and then go across there. So we've got all of these parts here. So it's gonna go, basically that pipe's gonna go to all of these, they're gonna go through that, and then it's gonna come out over by the car. But yeah, so let's get all this stuff then onto the car and I'll show you how it is. Okay, so now we need to cut this pipe to size. So we cut here, and the air filter's gonna sit basically around here, so just like that. Okay, so you just gotta cut across the line that you make, and then just obviously just use a hacksaw or something. Preferably do this off the car. We're just doing it because can't be able to do it all again, like fit it all.
Make sure you put something underneath to catch all the debris and stuff.
Okay, so that's the pipe with the filter on, and then you've got the 2 clips. Put one on this side, and then one on the opposite side obviously as well.
Oh, we need 2?
Yeah. Here, and then once that's on, just tighten these 2 basically.
We'll cut when this is done.
That's the intake ready. And basically you just need, I think it's an 80mm pipe that you're going to cut, and then also a 80mm 90-degree elbow, 80mm couplers, and the intake. I'll leave all the links for this stuff in the description anyway. But yeah, that's what the intake looks like. We'll get some drive-bys and stuff and whatever. But yeah. So to fit it, basically, you guys saw in the video how to fit it, but there's an airbox that's sitting on these little like studs. These things here, they're like, there's 2 under there as well. And then you've also got this like massive, it's a box, and then you've got the big pipe. Obviously you know how it is when you see on your car. And the front piece, it goes to, there's 2, see the screw hole there? There's one there, and one just around there. You're gonna need a screwdriver, like not a screwdriver, a, what's it called, spanner, to undo them bolts, and use a magnet or something, because you don't want them to drop obviously. If they do drop, it's not a big deal because it'll just hit the under tray, it's not in the engine. Obviously try avoid dropping, it'll be easier then. And then with this, you're gonna need like, it's quite a tough one, you have to pull kind of hard. I thought I was gonna break something, but you gotta pull it quite hard. These will come off, and then that's basically the airbox off. And it'll be like a funny angle, you gotta like wiggle it out and some weird stuff then. After that, keep this pipe here. There's like a Jubilee clip on the back, one of these clips on the back. Just unscrew it. Or I think it's a quick release one. Just undo that. Once that's undone, all this can basically go on. It's all ready to go on. And you just have it sitting straight and across, or you can even have it going like across here and down or something, or you can do it many ways, but I'll leave the links to have it like looking like this. And trust me, it makes such a big difference. Even in power and stuff, it looks 10 times better. But yeah, I'll do some revs now. I'll get my mate to start the car up, do some revs, see how it sounds. so outside now, just getting some drive-by shots for you guys, and trust me, it sounds so good outside, it's mad. It's parked up, we're gonna get some inside shots, show you how it sounds inside, and trust me, inside it sounds so sick as well because it's got like a proper like a roar, it's mad. But yeah, let's go inside then. Go on. Okay. It actually kind of roars, you know, inside as well, it's kind of sick. This is the guy that helped me out with the 1,000 subscriber video and 061. Yeah, big stretch here, go for it. Let's see how it sounds. Actually sounds sick, you know. It's gone a lot deeper. Yeah, so with the intake, throttle response has increased and performance by like a little bit of it. It's not really a lot, it's not tuned in, but it's increased a little bit. Oh yeah, the MPG's increased as well. So you're basically just getting air filter, it sounds better, you get better MPG. It's just everything's sick about it. Alright, so you guys have had the intake on the car. You've seen some drive-bys, seen some inside driving shots. And comment down below what you guys think of it, like what you guys think of the sound of it and everything. I think it probably like roars, it's quite sick how it does it. It's just, yeah, it's different. Because all the bad cars, you've heard the Polo, you've heard the Golf, they got that like whoosh at the start and then they kind of roar a little bit. This just roars the whole way through, it's mad. And under 2K it's kind of silent, so you won't get annoyed with it or anything because that's the fine thing. So if you want to make it loud, just put your foot down. If you want to have it quiet, don't put your foot down. And yeah, more videos coming on this MG3 soon. We are doing the exhaust on it, which is going to be sick. But yeah, that's going to be happening, so subscribe for that. And I think we are the first people to actually be modifying one of these properly on YouTube. We've had some random videos on YouTube, but not like proper ones. This will be the proper series on like actually modifying this. Yeah, so my mate's actually getting a new car soon as well, so stay tuned for that. And let's just say we're going to go like, we're kind of going all out on that. It's going to be like the Golf, we're going all out on that basically, it's going to be sick. So that's coming as well. We've got loads of stuff planned, and there's loads of stuff for the Golf planned that you guys must have seen in the last videos as well. So yeah, remember to like, comment down below and subscribe, and thanks for watching. So we've got all of these parts here.